Hi there, welcome back to EngVarta. This is Wani and I am back today with a quiz. The quiz is on modal verbs and I am sure that you're ready and set for this quiz, right? Well, if you are not prepared or you have not watched the video on modal verbs, then not to worry. The link is in the description box below. Just go through the video, revise all the rules, and then you can take this quiz later on, right? So let's start the quiz. See, all in all, you will have 20 questions. I will give you 4 options for each question and a 3-second timer to answer all the questions. So I hope you're ready because I'm about to start. Let's start. Let's start with our first question. Ready? You dash be tired after such a long journey. And your options are can, should, must, might. And your timer starts now. And the correct answer is must. You must be tired after such a long journey. Moving on to our second question. Which modal verb is used to give advice? And your options are can, should, may, might. And your timer starts now. Well, the correct answer is should. Moving on to our third question. He dashed swim when he was just 3 years old. And your options are can, should, could, might. So what is the correct answer? Well, the correct answer is could. He could swim when he was just 3 years old. Moving on to our fourth question. Which modal verb indicates a possibility that something might be true? And your options are shall, should, can, might. The timer starts now. And the correct answer is might. Moving on to our fifth question. You dash not enter the lab without permission. And the options are can, may, must, should. The timer starts now. And the correct answer is may. You may not enter the lab without permission. Time for our sixth question. Which of the following sentences uses a modal verb to ask for permission? A. Can I borrow your book? B. He might come to the party later. C. She must study for the exam. D. They should take an umbrella. And your timer starts now. The correct answer is A. Can I borrow your book? Let's move on to our seventh question. It looks cloudy. It dash rain today. And your options are can, may, must, should. Well, the correct answer is may. It looks cloudy. It may rain today. Moving on to our eighth question. Which of the following sentences uses a modal verb to express obligations? A. We might go to the cinema tonight. She can play the piano beautifully. You must wear a helmet when riding a bike. D. Can you pass the salt? Your timer starts now. Well, the correct answer is C. You must wear a helmet when riding a bike. Moving on to our ninth question. They dash be in the meeting since it is mandatory for all the team members. And your options are can, may, have to, should. Well, the correct answer is should. They should be in the meeting since it is mandatory for all the team members. Moving on to our 10th question. Which modal verb indicates an ability in the past? Can, might, shall, could. Well, the correct answer is could. Time for question number 11. I dash believe he said that. And your options are can't, might, should, would. And your timer starts now. Well, the correct answer is can't. I can't believe he said that. Moving on to our 12th question. Which modal verb expresses a strong certainty? And your options are must, can, might, shall. And the timer starts now. Well, the correct answer is must. Question number 13. We dash be able to go to the park if it stops raining. And your options are will, should, might, could. And the timer starts now. Well, the correct answer is might. We might be able to go to the park if it stops raining. Moving on to our 14th question. I dash like to order the vegetarian pasta, please. And your options are can, may, would, should. And the correct answer is would. I would like to order the vegetarian pasta, please. Question number 15. Which of the following sentences uses a modal verb to make a polite request? A. Could you please pass me the butter? B. She must be at the office by 8 a.m. C. They can run very fast. D. You should listen to your partner. And your timer starts now. Well, the correct answer is A. Could you please pass me the butter? Question number 16. Dash we go to the cinema after dinner? And your options are shall, might, can, must. And the timer starts now. Well, the correct answer is shall. Shall we go to the cinema after dinner? Time for our 17th question. Which modal verb indicates a future intention or suggestion? And your options are can, shall, might, would. Well, the correct answer is shall. Question number 18th. If I had known about the meeting, I dash have attended. And your options are can, should, might, would. Well, the correct answer is would. If I had known about the meeting, I would have attended. Time for our 19th question. They dash be in traffic since they are not answering their phones. And your options are must, can, might, would. And the timer starts now. And the correct answer is must. They must be in traffic since they are not answering their phones. And it's time for our last question. Question number 20. Dash I assist you with your luggage? Shall, can, must, would. And the timer starts now. And the correct answer is can. Can I assist you with your luggage? So those were all the questions that I had. I hope you got all of them correct. By chance, if you have missed a couple of questions, do not worry at all. Make sure you rewatch the video on modal verbs once again. And once when you are, thorough with all the rules and you have revised all the rules, just retake the quiz. Simple. Before I leave, I also have one homework for you. And the homework is that you have to tell me which modal verb we use the most on a daily basis. Write down your answers in the comments below, and along with your answers, you also have to write down your scores. Well, this is pretty much it. If you enjoyed the quiz, you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up Like, subscribe and share the channel. I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, bye, take care and happy learning.